Hi, I'm Dennis Michaud. I'm with CertainTeed. I'm Managing Director of Offsite Solutions here at CertainTeed. And I want to tell you a bit about PRECISION Assemblies. PRECISION Assemblies is a complete solution for a residential building envelope. And we developed it really to address the challenges in meeting project timelines, challenges getting both skilled labor in general, as well as the increasing need for higher quality and more performance and resilience of homes. We designed OPA really for home builders and developers. So this can be very custom homes as well as more of a repeat spec build housing. The solution works both for single family residential as well as for low-rise multifamily. One of the advantages of the PRECISION system is that any design really it works for. So builders come to us with their custom designs. Maybe it was designed by an architect, maybe it was a design that the homeowner came with. They bring it to us, we do all the engineering and conversion of the design into our panel system. So we're doing all of that engineering work for the builder. In the case of more of a spec-built home, perhaps a community of 10, 20, 500 homes, we're then doing a similar process where we take those designs, but we engineer them for repeatability, making sure that it's as cost efficient as possible. Typically spending a little time with the builder, helping them value engineer the design to make everything more efficient and faster for them. In more multifamily or townhome type situations, that also works very well with our solution. It's really about ensuring that we're meeting all of the code compliance, whether it be for party walls, from a fire perspective, of course paying very close attention to setbacks, as well as some of the other code-related topics that we help that builder or developer navigate. This solution is also very valuable when resilience is of concern, either for the builder or for the homeowner or the community. We've designed PRECISION Assemblies to be incredibly pervious to rain, hail, wind events, both from, of course, a water intrusion and moisture perspective, air intrusion, as well as general structural durability. So another important point is the flexibility that's available to builders and developers using OPA. We really tried to make the solution as customizable as possible. And of course, from the structural perspective, we're taking care of that. But from a perspective of finishes, windows, doors, we have a broad portfolio of options. Or builders can come to us with, for example, a particular window that they like to use. And as long as we vetted that window, it's a credible brand, we can incorporate it into their panels. So the main benefits for builders using PRECISION Assemblies, first is speed. It makes the process of individual home much faster, typically cutting the time in half. It also reduces the amount of logistics and engagement that the builder needs to have in the early phases of the project, everything from the engineering, the value engineering, the structure, creation of the envelope, and getting them to a watertight, airtight home that's completely dried in and able to be conditioned so that they can build not only faster, but build in seasons where it typically be impossible to build. For example, up here in the north, a lot of construction shuts down around the November-December timeline and really doesn't pick back up until the spring. We have builders that are building year-round because of this solution. The materials that we use are really the best-in-class materials from an energy performance, moisture performance perspective. As an example, the exterior walls are all dense pack, high R value, blown-in fiberglass insulation. We use our Optima product, which is really our top-end insulation product. It's really up to the builder to let us know what performance level they're looking to hit, and we guarantee that performance. The home built with OPA is going to be incredibly energy efficient and also very, very comfortable and healthy. Any builders or developers who are interested in learning more about OPA can look on our website, www.certainteed.com/OPA. Reach out to us, tell us a bit about your project, and we'd love to give you a quote and talk about how we can help you build faster, higher quality homes and really grow your business with us together.